I'm Arushi from grade 10B, and this is officially my last speech in school. Don't worry, I have so many unofficial speeches I have yet to give. Dazed was the feeling on 1st April 2019. It was April Fool's Day, and it was also my first day of school, 5th grade. Everyone was so excited for the upcoming elections, whereas I didn't even know what my house was. Happy was the feeling I felt when I finally made some friends and thought of all the fun we had. Spilling tea, sharing our lunches, group study sessions that motivated us to studiously yap. The constant reassurances of saying I didn't do it either that gave me solace, and taking part in annual days in sports days, knowing very well the makeup would look so bad on us. But as long as we and our snacks stay together, it's us and our kurkure against the world. Proud was the feeling I felt when I won my first inter-school competition, which motivated me to participate in everything, every single thing. It didn't matter if I won or lost. Anxious is the feeling, and still feeling, during the last minute exam prep, panicking together, making several mnemonics that we hope we remember. Like Katrina ne car maangi autos and Ferrari, फिर भी है कि मिली silver or for the activity series of medals. And doing revisions with that one friend who said they didn't study anything, but somehow knew everything. Grateful is the feeling that I have towards our teachers who put up with our creative excuses for us to complete our assignments. And our parents who miraculously didn't disown us after the parent-teacher meetings. To the IMRs who were ready with their mops to tackle another flood caused by our water bottles to mysteriously drop. And nostalgia is the feeling I'm experiencing right now. Reminiscing about these bittersweet and heartwarming memories. My days in DSE have been surreal, just like a Disney movie. And I don't want to make a joke out of myself, but I just want the school to remember to say goodbye. Remember me. Don't let it make you cry. For even if I'm far away, I'll hold you in my heart. I'll sing a secret song to you. Try we are apart. Remember me. Though I have to travel far, remember me. Each time you hear a sad guitar, know that I'm the only way that I can be until you're in my arms again. Thank you, and all the best to the only 10th graders who are going to write their exams this month, and the future 10th graders who are going to write their exams next year. And please study from day one or else you'll regret it.